Good morning, students. Today I am here to explain English literature of class 5th poem The Beanstalk. Student, before we start the explanation of the poem, I am going to tell the story about the beanstalk. It makes you much easier to understand. So let's begin. We come to the origin of the story. This tales this is the fairy tale story, and this tales about climbing into the sky have been told for thousands of years in multiple countries. But the first known written account of the story appeared in England in the 1730s in the form of a skit entitled Enchantment, demonstrated in the story of Jack Springing and the Enchanted Bean. Now, the beanstalk. Jack and his mother live alone on a small farm. Jack was a good kid who helped his mother with chores, with all the work which is doing at home, but the two of them were very poor and often didn't even have enough to eat. The story begins with a poor widow with a son named Jack and a cow named Milky White. When Milky White stopped giving milk, the woman decides, means the Jack mother decides to send Jack to market to sell the cow. Now, in the way, there are some stranger to whom they are talking, to whom Jack meets. Along the way, Jack meets a stranger who offers him a special deal. The stranger who tells him a riddle and then offers 5 magic beans that by morning they grew right up to the skies in exchange for the cow. Means, in a way, a stranger gave him 5 magic beans in exchange of a cow. He will give Jack magic beans in exchange for the Milky White, the cow. Jack isn't sure whether to believe the man. He asks the stranger if the beans are really magical. The man assures Jack that they are. So Jack takes the beans and hands over the cow and heads home. Now, when Jack back to home, when Jack gets home, his mother is surprised to see her son back as soon. Jack tells her mother he's received magic beans. She is surely disappointed in the boy's lack of judgment, means lack of decision. The Jack mother thought that his decision is not good and burst into tears. Jack feels sad to have made his mother cry. Feeling foolish, he tosses the beans out of his bedroom window. Then the magic works. The next morning, Jack awakened to discover a giant beanstalk has sprung outside his window. Means grow up. Outside the window, he saw a giant beanstalk had grown up to the sky. The magic beans really worked. He rushed outside and climbed up and up the beanstalk until he reaches a new land with a castle often in the distance. Now, what's the new world? A new world. Jack climbed the beanstalk to the sky where he found a house. He found a new land with a castle off in the distance. There is a big castle up in the sky. Now, who live in the castle? The giant. Exploring the new land, Jack encountered the giant. He meets the giant. He found a giant family where a giant and his wife were living. Jack knocked on the door and asked the woman who answered for some breakfast. Only the giantess was the house at that time, means the giant wife was in the house at that time. The giantess was a nice